welcome back to my channel. So this is the look that I created for this new year. I'm gonna do this on the New Year's. I love this so much. It turned out to be perfect like I wanted it to be. And yeah, if you wanna see how I created this look, then keep on watching. Before that, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you'll be posted every time. You'll be notified every time I post, and also like the video if you like the video. Yeah, that's it. Okay, let's go. So for moisturizer, I'll be using Nivea Soft Light Moisturizer. I'm gonna take a good amount and tap it in my face. Let it sink inside because you need that moisturizer on this dry season. Next, I'm gonna take my same old Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer and put it all over my face. And then I'll be using my Pack Pop Primer, as you all know already if you've like been watching my videos. Yeah, those are my go-to. And then I'm gonna color correct my face, all the pigmentation that I have on my face, because you want to look snatched. Yeah, I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro Conceal HD in orange, and then I'm gonna take my pack sponge and just dab it all out. You want your skin to look even on the big day. So yeah, that's it. And then I'm gonna take direct foundation. Like, I'm not gonna conceal anything right now. I'm gonna take my Milani Conceal and Perfect. And yeah, my foundation is almost over now. I'm gonna dab that into my face, everywhere. I'm right now editing it, and there's actually no plan for my New Year's, and it's boring and everything, but I'm just gonna stay with my neighbors and aunties, and yeah, I really love that. So at least one day for my neighbors. I'm gonna pack that foundation on my face, even out on my face, and then I'm gonna take my Clinique Beyond Perfecting Super Concealer Camouflage 24-hour wear. I'm gonna conceal my T-zone, also my under eyes, and blend that in. Then I'm gonna take my Luxury Banana Powder by Makeup Revolution, and I'm gonna set my under eyes before I bake it, because I'm gonna go heavy on with my eye makeup. So I'm gonna set my under eyes for now. There you go, setting my face. Not gonna bake it right now. I guess I'm also baking it. Yeah, I guess I'm baking it. I thought I was just putting on some for setting my face, but then I'm just baking it. So yeah, I'm really baking it, because you don't want that sweat to come out of your face when you're dancing all night or anything. So I'm gonna set my face, then put a lot of powder and bake it. And I'm gonna use my K-Beauty Smoky Kajal in Raven Hue. I'm gonna call you upon close. I wanted to let you guys know how I do it, so I've pulled you closer. So I then go on with a heavy layer of the liner, I mean the kajal. I'll just smoke it out with the applicator that is given backside of it. Yeah, on bottom of the pencil. Yeah, so I'll just smoke that out real nice. And it's okay to be generous with it and be smudgy and all dirty. It's okay, you can get it over with an eyeshadow later on. Smoky eyes, guys, it's really easy. It's not that big of a deal. So I dusted off all my powder, and then I'm gonna go with my Makeup Obsession eyeshadow. This is a single eyeshadow. It's in the shade number E114 Moon Shadow. So I've linked all of them below. You can purchase them And yeah, I'm gonna apply, because I've done it with kajal. I'm gonna set that with powder eyeshadow, and then I'm gonna take my Swiss Beauty Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette in 04. I'm gonna blend that brown color in, yeah, all around the black, the sharp edges that you have. You're gonna blend that in with a nice dark brown eyeshadow, just to gradient the look out. Then I'm gonna go with Swiss Beauty's metallic liquid eyeshadow. These eyeshadows are bomb, you guys. These are the dupes for Stila liquid eyeshadows. Yeah, right. These are amazing. I can go all in with these eyeshadows. I can wear them all day. They're very light on your eyes. You don't even feel them on your eyes when you apply them. I'm just gonna put a little layer of it, and then I'm gonna blend it out with a small brush. I don't know what you call this brush. Yeah, but I'm gonna precisely blend that on my black eyeshadow. Then I'm gonna bake it again, because I'm gonna use some loose glitter powders on my wherever I've done the metallic liquid eyeshadow, because again you will get a fallout because of the loose glitter. So you don't need that to stick on your face or anywhere. You need to dust it off immediately once you applied it. I'm gonna take this loose glitter. I don't remember the brand. I guess there's no brand for it. I just bought it at a local store. Also, I can give you some options down below if you check in the description box. MAC has them, Swiss Beauty has them, Miss Claire has them, PAC has them. A lot of companies own these glitters. They're very cheap also. You can get like 2-3 of them and yeah, apply them. I'm taking this one. It's actually basically a silver color. I'm gonna put it all over my metallic liquid eyeshadow. Then I'm gonna take my K Beauty's brow pencil and outline my brows and then fill them in. I'm not going like too crazy with my brows and concealing and everything. I'm not gonna do that. I like this method, so I'm gonna stick to this. You can do whatever you want. Then I'm gonna take my Sugar Stroke of Genius Heavy Duty Kohl in 02 Purple Rain. Is that it? Purple Rain? Yeah, I remember. It's Purple Rain. I'm gonna put that on my lower lash line. I wanted that purple to come out, so it's too much black and everything, so I wanted some purple. So for that pop, I'm gonna use this, and then dust off all the bakage that's been going under my eyes, and also dust off if there is any loose powder that's been settling on my face. There's some around my nose. I'll take that off. You're gonna take the exact brown shade and fill that in your lower lash line, around your lower lash line. in Not gonna use any liner or anything. I guess this is too much to handle, so yeah, I mean, you can go if it's your personal preference. I'm not gonna go and do it. So I'm gonna take this golden shimmery shade. I'm gonna put it in on my inner corners. I'm gonna curl my lashes and put some fake eyelashes. I prefer lashes on only like very rare occasions. You're partying or you're gonna collect some great pictures. Only then I'm gonna use the lashes. So these are the lashes from Shein. I'm not owning any expensive lashes right now, so yeah. And then I'm gonna put some mascara that's from Maybelline New York Lash Sensational. This is a waterproof mascara. I'm gonna use my same old Makeup Revolution Ultra Contour palette. Chisel out my cheekbones, my jawline, my nose, my temples, and everything that needs to be covered with shadow. You want that snatched face for your pictures. Okay, looks good. So, Makeup Revolution Ultra Blush Palette. This is my favorite blush palette. I don't own anything uh, other than this one because the blush is amazing, and I'm not going to invest so much in other blushes where, and I guess I get the same out of both of them anyway. So next I'm gonna line my lips with K-Beauty Matte Action Lip Liner in Vanity. This is my favorite color. It's a pinky nude, a very pinkish subtle nude. It's not too much, it's just the subtle right amount of pink that you want to put because you've done so much with your eye makeup. And then I'm gonna top it off with I-AmsterDAMN liquid lipstick in the shade, I'm sorry I don't remember, you can check the link in the description box. I'll be noting down everything below. This I got it from purple.com, I guess, yeah. And then I'm gonna use my Makeup Forever Artist Plexi Gloss Lip Lacquer in the shade, I don't know that even. So it's this pinky shimmer shade, shimmer gloss, yeah. It looks really good for New Year's and everything. Like events like these, like you're gonna party all night, like little shimmer is really good on your skin. And then I'm gonna pack my face with Fix Plus, and I'm gonna take my same blush palette, and you'll be having these silverish, not too golden but cool toned highlighters. I'm gonna use those two colors, those two highlighters, and cleanse all my face with it. And that's it. Those are the products I used, and yeah, I guess it's time. Yeah, I'm gonna do that a lot. Too much highlighter is what I love, so I'm gonna pack my face with that highlighter, and that's it, I guess. We're done. Yay. It's not too, what do you call it, not too much. You can do this on your own. It's pretty easy if you concentrate what I did. Okay, so I hope you guys liked the video. If yes, then hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. And yeah, I hope that every one of you achieve your resolutions. I know I have to. So yeah, wishing you everyone a happy new year. And if you wanna be notified every time I post, then hit the bell button. Okay, yeah, so that's it. I'll see you in another video. Bye.